Thanksgiving is finally here, and today we're taking our customer's Honda CR-V and giving it the craziest headlight upgrade you've ever seen. Today we've got a mission. Upgrade our customer's headlights in under 30 minutes. Sounds impossible? Nope. Watch this. Remove the old bulb. Tools, zero. Seriously, look, I'm doing this with one hand. Now for the fun part. Meet the Dama Kanji Lux Vision Generation 2. This LED comes with a built-in canvas, so the moment you install it, for no dashboard error, no flickering headlight. And the performance? 100% brighter than standard halogen. Pure 6000K brilliance and insane longevity.
Dude, this is insane. My car has never been this bright. Seriously, thank you. This is a total game changer.
Hit up www.hidconcept.com and grab 15% off all product. Go now before you miss out.
Visit hidconcept.com. Lighting the road ahead.